Welcome back to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Thursday 17th of September. Let's look at gold as this final chart of the day. We've started to see gold and silver both falling over a little bit. Dollar has been strengthening broadly since the Fed meeting, and that sort of pulled gold lower. Not decisively by any means, and it's interesting that the support that we've been talking about in recent days, I've talked about a band of support between 1937 and 1940, sorry. You can see that 1940 level and 1937, these reaction lows. Again, support coming in yesterday, and this morning, on a couple of occasions around that 1937 mark, and then rallying back above 1940. So it's a level that seems to be holding at the moment. Momentum indicators on hourly ticking back higher a little bit, so it's on the brink of taking a bit of a turn for the worse, but not really doing so. The concern I would have would be ratcheted up if we saw a breach on a closing basis of 1926, this Fibonacci retracement level, 23.6% of the big bull run. But it hasn't yet done that. So essentially at the moment we're still fairly neutral-ish within this range. And you take this range as being 1902 to 2015. And you're not a million miles off the middle of that range, a little bit underneath as the market's fallen over in the last 24 hours, but still holding up above that 1940 area of support. And hence you're fairly neutral-ish, rather than turning negative. You start to take on a more of a negative bias if you went into the mid to low 1930s, and then turn far more corrective, I think, below 1926 on a closing basis. But we haven't seen these factors coming in yet. 1950 is an initial resistance now on a near-term pivot basis. Back above that starts to show an improving outlook once more. But you look at these indicators on the hourly, and they are still fairly ranging, aren't they? Nothing really doing in terms of direction. So, yeah, just a little bit of a blip for the gold bull outlook, but not yet turning negative. So, with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website, sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Traded Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.